I'm currently recording a video of myself drawing my comic book, but the video is too big to upload to a website, so I'll need to shrink it down with another program named Handbrake. Here's the video file right here. I called it videofile.mp4. If I right click on it and get info, you'll see it's 4 megabyte. If I want to make it even smaller, I need to use Handbrake. I'm going to keep this up here so we can see it. I'm going to right click, open with Handbrake. You could also open a file going to open source and finding the file, and then click open. Down here you want to rename the file something else. You can write a number 2 or letter B after the word. You don't want to overwrite your original video file that you're compressing. I usually click on Web Optimize and align AV, audio, video. Click on Browse down here on the bottom. I'm going to go to my desktop, choose, and then I'll press Start. I'm going to minimize that. Here's my file. Right click, get info. Now the video is down to 770 kilobyte, which is 3/4 of 1 megabyte. So you can see how well Handbrake compresses a video file.